Pacinian or lamellated corpuscle. That's the Hubbard model. The Pacinian or lamellated corpuscle on our Samso model. Next one, Meissner's corpuscle. Meissner's corpuscle on the Hubbard. Meissner's corpuscle on the Samso. So these Meissners are going to be within these papillae, those projections there, the skin papillae. Now that's it for our Samso. Yes, thank you. Going next on our list, Ruffini end organ. Here's our Ruffini end organ. Merkel's discs, those little discs there, those are the Merkel's discs. Free nerve endings. And then the bulb of Krauss. The outer white portion, sclera. Then you go down, I'm going out of order, but the sclera is going to then go to this transparent portion. This is the cornea. I'm going rogue on you. Now we're going into our rectuses. There's 4 rectuses and 2 oblique, so the musculature. You have a superior rectus, inferior rectus, lateral rectus, and a medial rectus. Now you got to orientate the eye. This lacrimal gland is superolateral, so this is a right eye. So that'll indicate if this is lateral, that'll be our lateral rectus, that'll be a medial rectus. Or an internal rectus, external rectus, so that doesn't matter. This portion right here, this is the tendinous portion of your superior oblique muscle. That's your superior oblique muscle. This one here is your inferior oblique muscle. This represents our optic disc or our blind spot. This is where all of our neural fibers are going to exit the eyeball and turn into that optic nerve. You open this up. So there's that cornea. This portion here, you pull the cornea off. The colored part is your iris. That center opening, that hollow portion, that's your pupil. This part will be our lens. This nugget, this big ball here, this is supposed to represent, well, some of the neural layer and also the vitreous, that gelatinous jelly that's in the posterior cavity of the eyeball. You come here, you can see our retina, that's the white portion. So 4 right there, that is your retina. They take a triangular cut, pull the retina back to expose the choroid. So the choroid's in that vascular layer. Come on here. That's how that's supposed to be set up. Now I'll take the lens out. I'll take the iris, which the pupil's in the center of that. Take that out. Take the cornea off to expose this dark portion through here. This is your ciliary body. Ciliary body, that goes all the way around. These white dashes, those represent suspensory ligaments. The suspensory ligaments are attached to the ciliary body on one side, and then your lens on the other side. So depending on, well, what you're focusing on, it's going to, these muscles around the eye, the ciliary body, it's going to make the eyeball, or the lens more round or more flat, depending on what you're focusing on, close up or far away. Oh, ciliary body. Oh, the canal of Schlemm. Those little dots. So that one blue and those 2 red dots. That's the canal of Schlemm. Or you can call that the scleral venous sinus or something. I think that's another name for it. Lacrimal gland, scleral cord, retina. And I think I hit everything. The trochlea, trochlea is on that big head model, but your superior oblique muscle will go through this little pulley. That pulley is called the trochlea.